Namaskar guys, welcome to the Upasana IAS Academy. Myself Upasana Sareen. So guys, today we are going to talk about the editorial which is very important for the GS second social issues. And this editorial is important because it is based on the recent judgment of Supreme Court. Okay, so guys, this is important for the GS second polity paper as well as social issues. So please note it down into your the Hindu copy and please watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, we are going to talk about the editorial is for equal treatment. Okay, so this equal treatment is first of all talking about the equality or the equity. Okay, so on upholding the rights of the disabled. So guys, first of all we have to make an analysis that uh, this editorial is talk about the recent judgment of Supreme Court. Okay, द रिसेंट जजमेंट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट अभी आया था ना, परसों तरसों ही रिसेंट जजमेंट आया था कि जो डिसेबल और मेंटली और फिजिकली चैलेंज बच्चे हैं दे विल गेट द इक्वल इंटाइटल्ड बेनिफिट्स इक्वलेंट टू द SC/ST. ठीक है, तो उनको भी SC/ST की तरह ही इक्वली बेनिफिट मिलेंगे. ओके, तो इसके ऊपर मैंने पहले भी वीडियो बनाई हुई है. ठीक है, आज जो है आज के वीडियो में हम लोग एक तो डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट को देखेंगे और उसके साथ साथ हम इसके क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स देखेंगे. ओके, वी विल डू द क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस बिकॉज दिस एडिटोरियल इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द मेंस पेपर में क्वेश्चन ऐसा आ सकता है, इवन यू कैन राइट द क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से आ सकता है. रिसेंटली इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट the reservation given to the physically and mentally challenged is equivalent benefit given to the SC/ST. Okay, so discuss with the case and Disability Act, Person Disability Act 2016. ओके, आई होप आपने अब लिख लिया होगा. सो इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. सो नाउ गाइस वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस एडिटोरियल. ठीक है, सो सबसे पहली बात तो गाइस वी हैव टू गिव द बैकग्राउंड कि व्हाट अबाउट द केस पहले भी डिस्कस किया, फिर भी थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं कि DTU में एडमिशन लेने के लिए एक फिजिकली बच्चे को कहा गया कि आपकी मेरिट लिस्ट में जो रिजर्वेशन का जो मार्क्स आने चाहिए, मेरिट आनी चाहिए, वो मेरिट आपकी पूरी नहीं आ रही है क्योंकि जनरल कैटेगरी की 40% है और फिजिकली की भी 40 है और SC/ST की 35% है. तो बच्चा माइनर था. ठीक है, तो उस बच्चे के पिताजी ने कोर्ट में, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में पिटीशन डाल दिया. ठीक है, तो कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया. अब वो जो कोर्ट का जजमेंट आया वो ये आया है कि फिजिकली जो मेंटली और फिजिकली चैलेंज होते हैं उन बच्चों को भी SC/ST के जितना रिजर्वेशन मिलना चाहिए. मतलब उस बच्चे के एडमिशन पर रोक नहीं लगानी चाहिए. ठीक है, तो उसी के बेस पर ये पूरा का पूरा एडिटोरियल है. ओके गाइस, so first of all this editorial talks about the appreciable judgment of Supreme Court because Supreme Court identify either person is socially backward or person is physically or mentally backward. That backwardness is not very differential in the social stigma. These two backwardness is equivalent. That is why physically handicapped people should get the equal relaxation as the SC or ST. Okay, and now the next thing is first we have to talk about the Disability Act. Okay, so Person Disability Act 2016. What does it mean? So guys, the parliament had passed the act in 2016 and what this act talks about, this talk about if the person is suffered with the vision impairedness, leprosy, any physically challenge up to the 40% or 60%, it depends. So norms will be given, the relaxation will be given as per the norms of the job, government job or educational institution prescribed norms. Okay, leprosy, vision impairment, physically challenged, and hearing impairment. Okay, like these kind of person will be called as a disability. Okay, what does the meaning of disability? Disability means if a person is unable to do something, the person the person is unable to do something with the natural organs. Okay, the natural organs by which we all are taken the birth in this earth. Okay, so if there is any defect in the organ, so the person is not capable to do the things as compared to the normal person. Okay, and that is why, for the sake of equal treatment or the equity, what does the meaning of equality? Equality does not mean that you should make the give the opportunity, give the reservation or give the subsidy to all. No, equality means, for example, if this person is rich and this person is poor, so what does the equality means? The equality means you have to just give something to the below person, and so that this person should rise up. Then you can say, na, yeah, equality is there. But if you did not give the opportunity, then what kind of equality you are speaking about? So similarly, the equality simply means to give the reservation, to give the reservation to the bottom section of society, so that their upliftment can be done, and there should be a social justice with everyone. Okay, actually it is the duty of the government or the state to give the opportunity to all, but the person who are not getting proper benefit, or the person who are backward socially, economically, physically, mentally backward, so these persons should be given the reservation, these persons should be given the some relaxation for the government job or the educational institution. Okay, so now the next thing is, the Person Disability Act talk about the opportunity. The opportunity should be given to them. For example, if a person who is a blind, then person should take the admission in the special school. Like if we are talking about the COVID-19, the maximum disabled people are suffer in this time period. For a normal person, the online education is going on. Everyone is taking the online education at this contemporary time. But what about the disabled people? Those people actually they are the worst sufferer at this period of time. So those people should be given the special opportunity for the special education, and that is why the special teacher are hired for them. Okay, so the opportunity should be provided to them by, and government made some norms like special school that should be designed, and that should be the stair should not be like that, it should be in a slant, so that the person who are disabled, they can be moved easily towards the upward or downward. So infrastructure is like made to think about them. Okay, so opportunity should be given to them, and after the opportunity is not only talk about the education, but the opportunity should be given in the employment. And how the opportunity should be given in the employment? See, everyone knows these people are not as equal to the normal people. So during the question paper, they are given the extra time, they are given the some special techniques, or as well as they are given the reservation. Okay, so these people should be provided the opportunities. Okay, so Person Disability Act talk about this thing. So now the next thing is, what the Supreme Court judgment. The Supreme Court judgment is, the equal reservation relaxation should be given to the physically and mentally challenged people as the relaxation is given to the SC/ST, and no doubt it is an appreciated landmark judgment, because this judgment is equal to the equality in the society and social justice in the society. Okay, now the next thing is, guys, if we are speaking about the Supreme Court judgment, even the judges bench said, either you talk about the untouchability or you talk about the physically or mentally challenged. These two are due to the social stigma, social backwardness, educational backwardness, and now the economic backwardness too. Okay, but these two cannot be differentiated. These two things, either SC, ST or the physically or mentally challenged people, these two facing the inequality from the society. That is why they are liable to give the they are liable to reserve the reservation for them. Okay, and now the reservation should be in the form of, I think you understand, it should be in the form of employment as well as the government job or educational institution. And if we are talking about the 2001 census, the 2001 census talks about there was a reservation of maximum physical disabled people was there. Physical disabled people was there who did not become as a in equal number of public employment. And then after in 2016, the data said the reservation of 3% was earlier and it was increased up to the 5%. Okay, so this was the recent data in 2016. This is what the government is doing about the disabled people. Okay, so ultimately at the end of the day, if we are talking about the society, we are talking about the constitution, everyone have the faith in the law of the state. So faith should be prevailed, and it is the duty of the state to give the justice, give the equality with everyone. Okay, it should not, equality should be with every sense. It should not be discriminated on the basis of caste, race, religion, sex, place of birth or anything. That is why in the Constitution of India it was clearly mentioned, Article 15, Clause 1. And if we are speaking about the disabled people, so guys, these disability comes under the state subject. These comes under the state subject. And it is also mentioned in the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. So our Constitution mentioned the provision for the disabled people. Okay. So this is whole about the today editorial. And guys, in the Hindu copy, you have to please mention about this Person Disability Act 2016. Okay, and this question can be come in your one day competitive exam. Why? Because many people they learned the editorial but they did not pick the point. These things are mentioned, that it is mentioned in the Constitution of 7th schedule, and it comes under the state subject. Disability comes under the state subject. Okay, so please note it down. So these kind of question can come into your prelims as well as the subjective question can come into your mains exam. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you.